You know it's getting too windy for FPV when your pole starts to bend with the wind. Oh no, not HD now, my battery's flat in the HD camera. What's that? I haven't heard them. It doesn't steer. Huh.
Yeah, battery's getting flat.
Oh no! Be your second dead stick of the day. Is your mind's... Oh no, she's going to crash, mate. She's a goner. Oh, ooh, lucky. Just pulled out in time. I forgot to turn mine off before. It's probably been sitting there for about an hour. No steady shot on this camera. Shaky stop. Shaky shot. That's what we got here. It's good to see that you're a couple of hundred mistakes high.
Yeah, that's good, eh?
Yeah, safe man, safety first.
Got to think of these people in the go-karts, eh?
Yeah,
You'd hate to see this engine fall off and kill someone.
From that height, they'd have all day to evacuate before it hit the ground. She's getting a mite windy, mate.
She's good, eh?
Yes, she's beautiful. AXN FPV weather soon.